Hi guys, today's VLOGMAS day, whatever, but look at the snow. I'm gonna take over here, yeah. I got this poster board for Ariana Grande thing coming up. Look at the snow. It's snowing still. Staying in all day. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And I just wanted to say hi, and I'm about to eat some food. I'll show you what I'm gonna eat. Yuck. Okay, I'm gonna have some Cocoa Pebbles, although it is 1:30. I want them. I love them. That's my love. And then I'm going to make a strawberry smoothie for school. And I love them, so I'll make that later when after I eat this. A few hours after. I'm gonna watch some TV too. So I will talk to you guys real soon. No makeup. Oh my god, there's this app that you can use this, and I could get these out of like the shot. How to film out like a video like on your phone, like I could it would be filming the screen, like a screenshot, but it would be filming the screen. So like I can do like a what's on my iPhone or how I edit my pictures, and I can like have me standing there and then have it in the corner, and I can post it for VLOGMAS. I don't know, I think that'd be super cool. So can you guys let me know how you guys do that? Yeah. So this is gonna be a short vlog. Oh my god, I'm gonna show you quick. Like this storm. Oh my god, that scared me. I thought there was somebody out there in the back. But look how ugly. Look how ugly it looks. No. I hope I have off for gymnastics though tomorrow. My acne's bad. My ugly outfit. Yeah, I hope I have off for gymnastics tomorrow because I'm really sick, and it would not be good for me to go. Not that I don't know if I'm contagious, but I know I'm not contagious. I mean, but it just would be hard. And yeah, I'm gonna turn something besides the Kardashians on because I already saw this episode. It was last week's. It's a Christmas special. By the way, we probably have about 6 inches of snow. I'll show you my trampoline. Wait, watch. It's pure white. And I'll choose a trampoline, so that's that. This is my little cat Whittles, and he's so cute. And I was rubbing his stomach, and he wanted to play, so he started like biting in my arm, which it didn't hurt. It was like nibbles on my arm, and then he licked it to make sure I was okay, which is so cute. And he's so sweet, and he's so cute, and he's like, he's 1 year old, if you guys wanted to know. And I think you've seen him in a few videos of mine. Yeah. For the final tree, it's not final yet, but actually, ready? Done. Like that. And he looks so cute. The decorations are not on it yet. But that is the tree. Then it has some other lights. That is what it looks like. And the cat. Right there, I don't know if you can tell, but she is being naughty. Look. I'm just rubbing her. And look, she still has air and everything because obviously she went under there herself. Just pedaling. Oh, she's biting me. Ooh. I'm sorry, but I split this day in half because I am sick and I'm not doing anything tomorrow. So I just thought that I would split this day in half. This video in half, and tomorrow's video will be on how to make the smoothie. So stay tuned for that. Bye.